Between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter lies a vast and mysterious region known as the Asteroid Belt. To the casual observer, it might seem empty space, but it's a crowded, dynamic arena filled with rocky remnants from the early solar system, fragments that never coalesced into a planet. Astronomers believe that gravitational interference from massive Jupiter prevented these materials from forming a world. Instead, they remain scattered, some as small as pebbles, others hundreds of kilometers wide. The largest, Ceres, is considered a dwarf planet and holds secrets beneath its surface, possibly including subsurface water ice. The asteroid belt acts like a cosmic museum, preserving clues to how planets form and evolve. These objects are ancient, older than Earth, and studying them gives us a glimpse into the solar system's infancy. But the asteroid belt isn't the only place where relics of the past lie waiting. Beyond Neptune, in the cold, dark outer reaches, is the Kuiper Belt, a vast disk of icy bodies orbiting the Sun. This region is home to Pluto, the most famous of the dwarf planets. Once counted among the major planets, Pluto was reclassified in 2006 by the International Astronomical Union. But that change didn't lessen its importance. In fact, it heightened interest. When NASA's New Horizons spacecraft flew by Pluto in 2015, it revealed a world more complex than anyone imagined. Smooth plains of nitrogen ice, towering ice mountains, haze-layered skies. Pluto is alive with geologic activity. Its heart-shaped Tombaugh Regio is iconic, a symbol of how even distant, frozen worlds can be surprisingly dynamic. Nearby lies Haumea, an elongated dwarf planet with a ring system, the only one of its kind discovered so far. There's Makemake, bright and cold, with a thin atmosphere, and Eris, nearly the size of Pluto but even more distant, with an icy surface that reflects nearly all sunlight that strikes it. These dwarf planets, along with thousands of smaller bodies, form the icy frontier of our solar system. Collectively, they challenge what we thought we knew. They blur the line between planet and asteroid, between moon and world. Farther still, perhaps 1,000 times more distant than Pluto, lies a theorized realm called the Oort cloud. Though we've never directly observed it, astronomers believe this spherical shell of icy bodies surrounds the entire solar system, extending almost a quarter of the way to the nearest star. The Oort cloud may be the birthplace of long-period comets, icy travelers that take thousands of years to complete a single orbit. When disturbed, perhaps by a passing star or galactic tide, these objects fall toward the Sun, forming the brilliant tails we see in our skies. Comets are more than just beautiful, they are cosmic messengers. Their ice contains organic molecules, the building blocks of life. Some scientists believe that comets may have helped seed Earth with water and carbon-based compounds during the planet's early formation. The study of these small, distant worlds opens up enormous scientific opportunities. They offer hints at the solar system's formation, its chaotic early years, and the possibility that life-sparking ingredients may be more common than we ever imagined. But these areas also raise profound questions. Could there be a yet undiscovered planet, a Planet 9, lurking in the darkness beyond the Kuiper Belt? Some astronomers point to the strange orbits of several trans-Neptunian objects as possible evidence. If such a planet exists, it might be several times the mass of Earth and take tens of thousands of years to orbit the Sun. Its discovery would rewrite textbooks and dramatically expand our understanding of the solar system's architecture. Yet for all we've uncovered, so much remains unknown. The more we look to the edges, the more we realize how vast, varied, and unfinished our knowledge truly is. These minor worlds, asteroids, dwarf planets, and comets, may lack the size of Jupiter or the fame of Mars, but their importance is growing. They are no longer just footnotes in astronomy books. They are frontiers. and they might hold the key to understanding not just where we come from, but where we're going. With every passing mission, telescope, and discovery, Infinity Beyond brings the story of these cosmic wanderers into focus. Stay with us as we continue exploring the frozen secrets at the edge of our sun's influence, because beyond the familiar lies the unknown, and that's where the real adventure begins.